Hi, you'll find the blog for this video at the solidworkstutor.weebly.com. You'll find the drawing sheet to help you build this model for yourself. It's a very basic model that this video will show you the first base extrude. We start off by picking a plane from the feature tree and start or insert a new sketch. This sketch method uses the mirror command. So to start with, we'll draw our center line and we'll draw the outline of the shape that we want to produce. So half of the strap clamp for the first feature. We can use the mirror tool. We've got two things to select. We have the entities we want to mirror, and we have a line to mirror about, and we pick those in the correct windows in the feature manager. We'll see the preview and we can accept if we're happy with that. The Smart Dimension tool allows us to drive the geometry of the sketch. It works better if you pick the geometry rather than the end points of the geometry. So it's a left click on the geometry and then a left click to place the dimension and input the size. Check for a fully defined sketch, that's important. Make sure the geometry is what you want, so we'd like to see black geometry rather than blue with the standard settings. And if you look in the bottom right corner, the system will tell you you're fully defined. View sketch relations, that's a radio button on or off if you want to see the sketch relations graphically, and the extrude command on the features tab. Zoom in with the middle mouse wheel and rotate by moving the mouse with the mouse wheel button held in. Parametric features. If you click the sketch or feature in the feature tree, the dimensions will come up in the graphics and you can click on those, input new sizes. In the next video we'll finish the clamp, we'll put the slot in there and chamfers and angles and so on. Make sure you save your work and check out the website for the blog. Thanks.